Hello there. I'm your personal assistant. I'm going to help you out when you need me and cheer you up with music, videos and jokes. Your name is written right here. You were born on 19 December 2003. You are 17 years old. Don't be silly, I know you are 17. No problem. The weather is looking cloudy with air temperature 10 degrees Celsius. The wind speed is 1 miles per hour and humidity is 81%. Playing EDM music for you.
You were the shadow to my light. Fade away, afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you?
Sure thing. Goodbye. I'm going dark, waiting to be woken greater than ever. Goodbye.